If you ever see this sign on the side of the sea, don't ever enter the water.
Why, bro? I want to swim in the sea. But what is that? Is that real?
I'll tell you, but first, if you think this cat is cute, like and subscribe. Look at this poor cat, crying and so sad, begging for food, but no one pays attention to it. It's truly heartbreaking. If you have a kind heart, drop a heart emoji in the comments and share this video, because kindness always comes back to you. This mermaid sign isn't real. It was placed beside the sea as a tourist attraction. You can find this in some resorts where performers wear mermaid costumes and swim in the water as part of a show.